I am just reworking this pour that I did. I was happy with the pour, but I wanted to take it to the next level.
Shock you all. I'm just going to try this white swipe over it. Or should I go for it? No, I'll go white. Remember, I'm art lab day, so I'm gonna, maybe I should have done the yellow swipe. Crazy lady. May not put this bit on, or I just wanted to take it that extra further for my testing. This is my soft plastic file divider. Just gonna see what comes out of this craziness. I might have spoilt it, but you know, you've just got to give it a go. Give these things a try. That's what I believe in. So I'm just wiping off my file, plastic file divider. Oh, look at that lacing that's come up already. Oh my goodness. Let's wipe it in between each swipe so you don't muddy the colours. Holy dooly. Holy dooly. Holy dooly, jackaroony. Oh, just giving it a bit of... I just wanted to take... Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, oh, that is super duper. Super duper. Oh. The lace, it is super duper lacy. I'm in super duper crazy mode. I wanted to see, where's my next bit? No, I haven't got a tray right handy. I just want to put a bit of this. This is just a bit of burnt umber. No, that's going to run straight off there. Oh, let's try it. I just got a bit of burnt umber that was the same, just with Floetrol. And just want to see, in my crazy antics day, how I go. Okay, let's just do... I've just got this little bit of hair comb. It was one of those round scalp combs, and I've cut it to have the little holder. So I'm going to just dip this in some just burnt umber. I just want to see if I can add any more crazy to the crazy, I suppose. It might not do absolutely anything for the painting, but I'm just in my art lab day. I want to just see for sure. Just dipping it in the... Now that definitely looks like ants have been across my work. There you go. Well, like I said, I'm just, I'm in my art lab mode. I'm just testing different things. You may not like the actual painting that you've ended up with, but the techniques, it's good for testing. You can scrape it, keep it, whatever, but just push it that little bit further and try different things on it. I can see I've got some like fracturing happening. I've got some really bizarre reactions in this paint, so that's interesting. These I don't like when they go to kind of big blobs, don't like those. But the thing is, when they dry off a little bit, probably not now, then this is my balloon that I put water in. It's just water from the tap, just gives it that little bit of weight, and then I just do my thing. There's too much, the paint is too wet at the moment to get really... Wow, that's just blooming as you push the balloon into it. That's crazy. That's craziness. It's just reacting and causing like a lace effect straight around it, and I presume that would be the Floetrol. Oh, go away, fly. Aussie flies. Like I said, we don't normally have flies up here too often, but for some strange reason, whatever's happening, we've got them at the moment. Oh. Okay. I'm going to leave it at that. I've done my testing. I've got some awesome things happening in the paint. So if you have things happening in the paint, write it down what you did, or like me, obviously I've got a video as my reference, so I can go back and so I want to do that crazy thing that happened. So have a reference. If you're not doing videos of your pores, then write it down. So if you discover something fantastic, you need to have a reference for it to do it, so you don't forget if you want to do it again the next time. But that is quite bizarre. Bizarre. Isn't that a strange word? Bizarre. Is it a word that you always think of this, a word that you thought is crazy, like when you say it? For years and years, I just couldn't get over how stupid the word wool, W-O-O-L, wool. I just thought, oh, it must be my crazy mind. I just thought that is a stupid word, wool. Okay. Holiday must have affected the brain. It's gone even crazier. Okay guys, I'll leave your photos on at the end, and if you want to have a little look at, oh, it's so vibrant, it is crazy. I'm going to definitely do that sort of swipe with the other pouring medium and Floetrol mixed, because it gives some crazy awesome lacing. I might even try the Dutch blowout. Well, it's an Aussie blowout, isn't it? Because I'm an Aussie doing it. So I might even try that next. So thank you so much. Bye for now.